What's up, everybody? Just wanted to give you a short sweet video on item duplication in Arc Mobile. Right now I'm on my private solo world or whatever that doesn't require anything to do. Obviously I don't need item duplication because I have God Console, but this works on official servers as well, so go ahead and set this up real quick. Now these items don't matter. The gas, obviously, so you can turn it on and off. That matters, but the rest of these items here can just be really any random junk. They can be placeholders. Alright, so we need 10 of these, 10 metal ceilings. It can work with any item that's stacked by 10. You just make sure you have 10 of it. Place that right there. Obviously, if you play on a phone, it's going to look a little different than on my tablet. So what you're doing necessarily here is you're tricking the system, or the game, into thinking that it is grinding down 10 of an item when you're only giving up 2 of those items. So what you want to do here is, I don't have what are they, trapdoors? I think they're called metal hatch frames. Giant stone hatch frame, giant metal hatch frame. Alright, so this is for duplicating metal, cement paste, and all that fun good stuff. So in order to make these, you need a smithy, because I'm an artard. You can do it in a tech replicator, obviously. It's going to give you 240 metal, or it's going to cost you 240 metal and 64 cement paste per one. So multiply that by times 2. That's 480 metal and 128 cement paste. So we'll go ahead and make 2 of those. Have those crafting. Now, since cement paste and metal are the things that we're going to be duplicating, normally I'll have that as a placeholder, but since I want to show you exactly what you're getting from the return, I'm going to put something else in as a placeholder. So we'll take these 2 out. Now, just write that number down if you forgot it. I'll take these hatch frames out and go ahead and put them in here. 2 at a time. Make sure any stackable item can be duplicated or ground down to duplicate the resources. So you start with here. You want to make sure that you're glowing on your metal ceilings. That's 10. And when you hit the grind button, that's going to come up. But what you want to do is hit this one and this one at the exact same time up here, the metal hatch frame and the metal ceiling. So when you hit grind, you're going to want to click on them both at the same time. Almost instantaneously, almost all 3 of them. And it's going to take a lot of practice for you to get it right. Obviously, I don't get it right all the time. I suck at it. But once you get it right and you get it good, you'll see that this pop-up is going to change from what it normally would say. See if I can get it to work here. It's going to take a couple tries. That actually was it right there, and I just kind of messed it up. Okay, so you see how on your screen here it says transfer? You want this to say grind. But since it says transfer 10 metal ceilings, the machine is registering that it's grinding 10 of the item. But if you look over there at the hatch frame right here on the right-hand side of the screen, you can see that that is outlined, because that is the item it is actually grinding. So when you do it again until you get it to say grind, it's a pain in the butt. There it goes. So see how it's showing that we're grinding 10 metal ceilings, but the game is actually registering you're grinding 10 metal hatch frames. So when you hit grind, you get 600 metal and 160 cement paste. So we're going to take that out. We're going to go over here, and can I do a drop all? Nope, I cannot do a drop all. Alright, well, we're just going to drop the metal, drop the cement paste, drop the cement paste, so there's no metal and no cement paste in there anymore. Go ahead and put the metal in there, cement paste in there, craft up 1, 2. Once those are finished crafting, you'll see exactly how much resources that you got extra. 32 cement paste and 120 extra metal. Just by doing the simple thing. Transfer it out again. Go back to the grinder. You can make a bunch of these. Just make sure you only put them in stacks of 2 because you're tricking the system into grinding 10 of an item and you want the lowest numerical value of it. And just grind. Pull out the cement paste, pull out the metal, turn over here. And that's the video.